Good morning, everybody. It's good to see you here. My name is Nafetali Adisondoro Kopatee. I'm responsible for preparing quick training materials related to daily life skill. In today's presentation, I'm planning to explain to you about how to make a cup of hot chocolate. If there's any question you would like to ask, please leave them until the end when I'll do my best to answer them. In today's presentation, I would like to cover 3 points. First of all, the materials we need. Second, the step-by-step process. And finally, the result and some tips. I'll start with the materials we need. To make hot chocolate, here are the things you will need: a cup of or mug, a saucepan, or you can use a microwave, a spoon, milk or water, but milk tastes creamer, cocoa powder or hot chocolate mix, sugar optional, marshmallows or whipped cream optional too. It's best to prepare all of them before starting. So, everything is ready. Now, let's go through the steps. First, pour about 200 ml of milk into a saucepan and heat it gently on the stove. You can also heat it in a microwave. Second, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder or hot chocolate mix into your cup. Third, add sugar if you like it sweeter, about 1 or 2 spoons. Next, once the milk is hot about but not boiling, pour it into the cup with the cocoa powder. Stir everything well until the mixture is smooth and there are no lumps. Finally, you can top it with marshmallow or whipped cream or extra flavor for fun. After following the steps, your hot chocolate is ready to enjoy. Here are a few tips. Use a milk instead of water for a creamer texture. Don't let the milk boil. Just heat it until it's hot enough. You can also add cinnamon or a drop of vanilla extract for a richer taste. For summary, so that an overview how to make a cup of hot chocolate. Now, just to summarize, let's quickly look at the main points again. The first is the material we need. Secondly, the process step by step. And finally, the result and some tips for better flavor. I'd like to conclude by saying making hot chocolate is a simple and cozy way to enjoy your day. And with a few extra touches, you can make it even more delightful. Thank you for your attention. If anyone has any questions, feel free to ask them now.